Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use free overdraft coverage on Cash App. Alright, let's begin. To activate overdraft coverage, you must have the Cash App debit card. If you do not have one, apply for it first. Once you have the card, open Cash App, tap the card icon and scroll to the free overdraft coverage option. This feature requires direct deposit set up with Cash App. You must receive at least $300 in paychecks each month. Once this is set up, activate overdraft coverage to allow transactions to overdraft your account by up to $50. When you make a purchase that exceeds your balance, Cash App will cover the difference up to $50. For example, if your balance is $20 and you need to spend $60, the transaction will be approved and your balance will show negative $40. Your next deposit will automatically repay the balance. If a transaction exceeds the overdraft limit, it will be declined. So that is basically how you can use free overdraft coverage on Cash App. And that is it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.